What is up, guys? As you know, we beat the this level, but now we're going to Galaxy level. So let's go, Aria.
Everything here costs $4.
Here, come on. I'll get you to Galaxy. Go to Galaxy. Go to Galaxy.
Now what do I do?
Okay, she's in. She's coming. This is like 1,000 times harder, Aria. So, yeah, this is gonna be longer than last one. But if you haven't watched it yet, go watch our last one. Can we? I think I'm gonna name it. Can we escape? Can we escape the cartride delivery service? Now, this is gonna be. Can we get out of space? Cartride delivery service. So yeah, let's go. This isn't, too hard right now, but this is where it gets hard. But it's okay, we can make this all in one go, see? Boom, now we're out in the desolate thing of space. Now we're in the empty void of space. Yeah, but it's also an empty void. Portal.
We're gonna get 3 guys.
I love this game. Now that just sucks. Okay, Aria. Come on. No! This one's fast, easiest.
I already got one first. I'm trying mine. I'm joking, I'm waiting.
That's what I thought. Okay. This is the best game in the world. What? What is this? Oh, I'm in first person. Because you're in first person. Break. We already made it past the first level. Woo! And you know what I'm gonna do?
What?
Speed. And I can upgrade how many packages I can carry.
I'm gonna go grab the snack. I'm gonna go grab the snack while you're driving. I'm in the car too. I'm staying in the car.
Oh, this is anti-gravity. You gotta be kidding me. Literally the death of my soul. The anti-gravity is literally the death of my soul. I just made it past the hammer level.
He's soon gonna give me a YouTube channel, I think.
Yes I am. So she's gonna start uploading her own videos. So you'll see doubles of our Roblox videos when we're playing each other. You'll see one on her channel and then one on my channel. Also, if you like it on my channel, go subscribe to her when I get her channel. But what do you want yours to be? Aria. Arya Keelan Gaming, because mine is Eli Gaming.
No, I have a better name.
You could put Arya Keelan Cat Lover Gaming. There. When I make the channel, go subscribe to Arya Keelan Cat Lover Gaming. I noticed. This is the 0 wacky gravity level. I hate this level.
I'm spectating you. Hold up.
Hmm.
Spectating you. I'm spectating you.
Okay, weirdo. But soon you'll start seeing like doubles of this. Because she's gonna be like making her own
Eli.
videos. What?
I used to spectate that dumpers and that. But now
That
I
troll?
Yeah.
But
But now I spectate you. What? Oh, guys.
a hammer level, hammer level.
Hammer level? Okay, I don't really care about those levels. Guys, you might see me subscribe or like if you don't want me to make a cat video of me acting like a cat or...
Please don't like her videos if you want her to act like a cat. Don't
Subscribe, I mean.
Don't
Subscribe if you do want me to act like a cat.
let her make a video of her acting like a cat.
Dog.
Don't let
Or dog one.
She's never gonna you're never gonna get any subscribers if you act like a cat.
Like, I'll make sure I have cats in that run.
Oh yeah, you know who's gonna be your first subscriber?
Who?
Me. Also, we're going 2,000 miles per hour.
And we fell off.
Yeah, the track doesn't even exist anymore.
And we're down to the moon. There. That's the thing.
I'm jumping. Wacky gravity sucks when you fall off.
I'm in. Now we're gonna go grab a snack.
Okay.
You will see me in recent videos with my sister Ayla.
Oh, I forgot it's gonna be hard for her to record videos because her sister is a little bit clingy to her. So yeah, you may not see videos as much as you would, but she will record some videos with me. Like if we play Minecraft together. I can convince my grandma to get Minecraft on my phone for me so we can play it. Wait, no, then we wouldn't be able to play together. I'll record some videos on my PlayStation soon.
Wait, what? Can you do it?
Yes, but I'll record a Spider-Man 2 video. Oompa loompa, do-da-da-do. I have a map They can't see, it's okay. No, Ari, it's okay. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Arya's not even playing and that makes me mad. Slow, it says slow. No. This is literally the worst level ever. It sucks.
Here's my sister.
Here's Ayla, guys.
There's only two.
She is 2, gotta be 3 next year. Which is pretty close since it's December 20th. Correct? December 20th, I think? No, December 21st. Yesterday was December 20th. No. Why? No. Tell me if you're doing something fun. Let's go, guys. Oh, my. I hate this line. Gas. Go-kart.
I don't know if it's empty or not.
I think it's full.
Nuh-uh.
Well, recorded to part 2, I guess, for the Galaxy level. Well, I guess this is part 2, only 11 minutes. So, peace, have a great day, see you later. Because I'm going to go ride my go-kart. Maybe I'll record a video of the go-kart. Me ride my go-kart. Well, peace.